spare part. Here,
Yeah.
here's the water trap. It's very easy to install. You just install here. And here, now here's show you the spare part. It's the steering shaft. Yes, it's a steering shaft. You can put. It's in the ceiling. Yes, and here's another one. Here's another one. Yes, put it into the ceiling. And then here's the handle. The handle. Yes, just put it here, and it's the nut.
Yes, the nut. Install the nut.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4.
Yes, four nuts. Four nuts. And the larvae.
Yes, then the machine will recover.
Yes, the machine will recover. It is easy. It is so easy to recover the machine.
Yes, it's very easy to store it. The spare parts.
Yes.
Okay.
Got right. You can see it's
Yes, all is
finished.
finished. And here we have two puffing lists.
Yes,
Yes,
puffing.
two puffing lists. You can install it in the tank. Yes, that's all. That's all. It's very easy.
Yes, yes. Got right. Saying that was quick.
Yes, it's very easy.